So, hey guys, my name is Suraj Nagarwal and I'm an affiliate marketer and online business coach. And today I'm going to share you my whole journey, my whole 4 years of journey in online marketing, what I have done in my past 4 years, and that's gonna be so much incredible thing for me and for you as well. So let's get started. So while first of all, I'm going to share just telling about myself. So my name is Suraj Nagarwal, and I'm an affiliate marketer and online business coach, and I help people to build and grow their online business from the scratch. Yeah, that's it. So right now I'm just showing you my some representation and the story behind all the online journey. So let's get started. And here is my representation, and it is my whole journey. So uh, let's move on the and then wait a second. And so did you see the presentation? Yeah, that's great. I'm waiting for someone. uh, Maybe some people are coming or not. So let's start the journey. The story was start in 2016 August, and I'm just sleeping on my bed. I was sleeping on my bed, and I'm just randomly searching on the YouTube and the Google how to make money from online and sitting at your home. So, and it is my habit to earn money online. So I just so much being a science person to find the new ways to earn money online. So I just start doing randomly search on the YouTube, on the Facebooks. Then I got one thing, uh, and that is a really amazing thing for me. And if wait a second. So, so it is a really a great thing, and I have found a ebook that is about how you can make $2,000 within your first month or the 16 days. And I was so much happy with that because I thought I have found the thing that I want. Actually, I'm just always finding the thing that will help me to make money online. The journey starts in 2016, and it is for 4 years of 4 year backward. So the thing starts with that. So I'm so excited to read whole the books, and that night I didn't sleep, and just whole the night I read the whole ebook. And it is about how you can start your Facebook page, and you can make money with ClickBank. And I was like, "Ooh, I got if I sell one product, then I will got 75% commission." And this the thing is so much great, and I was, yeah, man, I want this thing, I want this thing. So after that, what's happened? I just make all the things, and my first phase on 2016, 2016 29 of August, it's my page that's called Everything Is Here. And I just start doing the same thing. I just invite so many people on my Facebook, and just inviting them to my Facebook page to like them. And I have found some new things to invite through the email. In 2016 we have source the thing that we can invite the people on our friend list with the email. So I just start doing the same thing, and and the ebook giving me a source to make a huge of tons of email generating list. So I just made some great email list and just insert it. And This was a great thing, and I didn't get a lot of people, but uh, the process is going great, and I have made my plan. The plan is going really great, was really great, and I have done my all the things that I have made in my plan. So after that, I just starting and just create my page and start doing the things. Then after that, here are some most screenshot you I will share you with the page. And here is my first post about ClickBank products, and you can see here is my hop link, and here is the diabetes breakthrough, and the one is belly dancing tutorial. And I just start promoting without even know what is the digital product. Yeah, literally I don't know about what is the digital product, and I just start promoting the products. And I'm just doing day by day the things, and just promoting the things, new things. And then I just found the new things, and uh, here is the one thing that I have found. You can check it here. The multiple promotion through the Facebook page, and after that, I didn't get the results, and I have spent my 30 days in promoting ClickBank products through my Facebook page. That is name, everything is here. So I'm just doing the same thing that ebook was mentioned. So I just start doing all the things, and it is the 30 days, and I was like, I didn't get any results. So what should I do right now? So I just move on the other thing. I have found randomly again the on the Google, on the YouTube, about searching how I can make money through the how I can make money online by sitting at my home. And because everyone's dream, everyone wants to earn a lot of money by sitting at your home, and they don't want to go somewhere, they don't want to do so much hustle. And it is a common thing that happens with everything, with everyone. So what should I do? I just start doing research about how I can make money with uh, how I can make money by sitting at my home, and just start doing all the things. And that's that's the thing that teach me a lot of things. So I found the new video about the Amazon affiliate program, and I just start promoting affiliates. And you can see here, I have promote Zen Sports bag because I'm using it. I have this same bag in 2016, and it is a great bag. So I'm just promoting that thing because someone tell me in the ebook and in the video, if you are not using the product, then you are not able to promote it. So I just start using the products, but after a few days I don't have money to use all the products, so I just didn't use the product and just promoting randomly. Then after these things, I have just start my own YouTube channel because the YouTube thing is getting so much hyper, and a lot of people's doing a YouTube make because some technical reviews on the technical people's coming around on the YouTube, and he is making those peoples are making a good money with the YouTube. And that's a great thing in entire my life that I have seen. And just I don't know what the content is, and just I just start on the YouTube channel. I just start the YouTube channel where I was share some products and videos and games. Yeah, the here's my both YouTube channels. You can see here's my main channel, and where I just put it 581 videos, and it is my personal channel where I just share my dance video because I'm the background of an artist and I'm a good dancer. This is my one thing and one skill. So I'm also an artist. So that's a good thing for me because art is doing a lot of hustle, and they didn't give up on the the hustles things, so they don't give up on hard works. So that's why I'm just telling every time, be an artist and love your products and love your things, whatever you are doing. So that's the reason behind it. And it is my first skill. And I'll just start the YouTube channel. And that was my insights and my analytics, if you are seeing in the video. So here's my, you can see a 43.1 thousands views, and it is come only on one day. If I'm just telling you what I do, I just pick one video. I just randomly pick others' videos and put it on my YouTube channel, and that's a great thing for me because I don't have a content. I don't know how to shoot the video. I don't know how to create the content. I just put it video from other channel and just put it on my own channel and just promoting doing the same thing. And suddenly one day my video getting viral, not my video but other one's video, and I put it on my channel. That's why it's my video, and that getting viral on first day. And I was like, oh, that's a great thing. I will be billionaire in few years because I got a 15,000 views on within 22 hours, and it was really awesome thing for me. And uh, what should I do? Sorry. Uh, so what I do, I just doing the same thing, and after 2 days, I got the strike from the owner, the copyright strike, and I don't know even what is the copyright strike. I read on the YouTube and just search on the Google what is the copyright strike. Then I found if you got the three copyright strike, then your channel will be closed. And I was, what the thing is going with me? What the hell is going with me? So I just delete the video, and I have earned some dollar with the video because that time you uh, don't need to 1,000 subscribers and 400 views on 4,000 hour of views on your YouTube channel. You can monetize your channel with the starting. So that's a great thing that I have done in my entire thing. So let's go on the next page. Uh, Here's my some images that I have posted. I have done multiple things in my online journey, and I have doing some you can see gameplay videos, and I was playing Alpha Z Extreme. I was playing Mission Impossible. I was playing the COC. I'm a good player in COC also. And if you are playing in COC, you can join me through the video, and I will tell my the name. And but it is not the related to the journey. So here's the thing that I have done, and after that I just didn't get the things, and I'm just getting confused. What should I do? A new thing that give me a lot of money because I didn't get the engagements on my YouTube. I didn't get the video views on my YouTube because I got the one strike. Then after that I didn't get the anything. So continue. I am doing new things on the YouTube. Then I have just start. Uh, Making hacking videos like how to change your friend WhatsApp profile with using your phone, and that's the great. And after that, I'm just doing one more thing. It's just finding a top world's top 10 things because the most people are searching on Google and YouTube. What is the most popular thing? What is the 10 most popular thing on the internet on the entire world? So I'll just start randomly thinking a lot of things and just start doing things, and then again I start one more time Amazon affiliate promotion. Then after that, I have just start doing something new thing because I didn't get the results. I didn't get so many engagement. Then I just start giving some giveaway challenge because I found new thing, and I'm just showing new things uh, by by others people who is giving some giveaway, and they got a lot of likes and they got a lot of followers with that, and I'm agree with that. And I'm just pick up some. these hand frees from retailer, and I've just purchased some few hand frees for people who will do complete the task, and then I will dispatch for them. So, but no one, but no one do that. But no one follow me. No one likes me. You see that the engagement is only the one. So after that, I just on the November 2017, I was just doing one more thing is doing posting some building nation videos because the health niche getting so much higher. So I just start doing some these things. Uh, After that, the thing that I am telling to you, the more ideas to get more engagements, then I am just founding the new things, the world's top 10 things. Like I am found the top 10 craziest roller coaster in the world, the most incredible monster trucks in the world, and the top sharks attacks caused in on Tap Terrify videos. And this is my the post that I have uploading, and you can see my people reach inside that. You can see that is a 2.7k, and I'm getting the engagement. That's the great thing for me, and it's growing my channel and growing my Facebook page. After that, I was just promoting the same thing because I'm getting the results. You can see the results, and it is my most probably the video that got 643 likes, because I don't know about the Facebook algorithm. I don't interact with anyone. I didn't actually. I don't have the skill to communicate with people. I don't have the thing to communicate with the people. How to ask the question? How to seal something? How you can? How what are you doing? I don't have the skills to ask the people. I am always a simple thing. I am always love to be alone. So I'm not asking to. I'm not talking person. I'm not the talking person, and that's the thing that I'm doing. Maybe this is the thing I didn't get the results. So uh, all the works I've done with the consistency, and you can see I'm running with the 2016. The post was 2019, and the 2 years completes. And here's my first Facebook group, that is the International Tech and Deals. And I don't know how to use the Facebook, but I just made the Facebook group, and because it is mentioned in the entire ebook, so I just done the whole thing that I want to do. So I just make the broadcast the things, and then I was just start my blog. And this is my first blog, that is the Extra Mile. Actually, it is the first name I forgot, but I should the name it is. So it is my first blog, and you can see my whole things that I have done. Here is my old blogs that I have created in my entire life. One is Extra Mile, then earn money with the playing games, marketing secrets I'm doing right now, and pieces in the screen review. It is a different thing I didn't describe here because it is other thing, and some things I didn't mention in this presentation because I don't think it is reliable thing and relevant thing for that. So the women's collection, because the women collection found the new things that telling me about girls are more engaging, and girls are always buying something from online, and he is always paying a lot of money to you. If you get the attraction of woman, then you can got everything. So I just start the woman collection and the legit online jobs, review on sites and get the knowledge of upcoming. And I don't know what the things I have in my mind. I'm just doing the whole things and the complete solution for your problems, because I found in 2017 or 16 that you have to solve the people's problem. After that, you will get the results and people will believe you. And this is my second blog, Earn Money with Playing Games, and it is in 2018. My okay. So the next thing is that I have created a complete solution for problems, but I didn't do anything is here. And the other thing is the other one, block number four. Maybe I have created something. So here is I'm just telling the drop shipping business because I'm learning this from the Ritovan Chakrabarti, and he's the great entrepreneur in India, and he's the best Shopify expert and that I have seen, and he's giving a lot of things for free. And he's always creating some bizathons that helps me a lot of to start new things, and that is about my blogging. And here's my first blog that I've told you, that is the extra mile 01.blogspot.com. And here's my insights analytics of all blogs of one blog, and the thing that I have got, and today I got thing yesterday, and the image, the screenshot was yesterday night. So that's it. After that, I was just start the new thing, and I didn't get the results, so I just go again on the YouTube and just found the new things about how I can start the online business. How can I start the new thing that I can that help me to earn a lot of money. So I found the new video about the Amazon seller. Amazon seller, you can be a Amazon seller and earn a lot of money within your 30 days. So I was just researching a lot of about it, and I found the new thing that I have to be register myself in the Indian government as a trader. And so I just registered myself in 26 Feb 2017. Okay, so here is my TIN number, and the GST come in 2017 6th June, 26th June. So I have just registered. Also, here's my GST number. And first of all, thing I'm just telling you, I'm not the belongs from the business peoples, not belongs the first class people. Actually, I'm the person that belongs to medium class, and I'm just doing the whole job and just saving my whole salary to invest in those things because I want to do something. I take action because I want to do something. That's why I just save my money, save a lot of money, and spend those things that I really attempt and I didn't really uh, learn by someone, but I just learned on digital platform, and it is the thing that I have done, and you can also learn. So then after that, I just doing a lot of things, and I have promote a lot of products on the Amazon selling, and I have just start doing with phone accessories. I'm the person who is selling phone accessories on the Amazon, and I got a lot of orders through the Amazon, and that is the great thing for me because I earn right now. I'm just earning a lot of money with the Amazon selling, and that's the great because I have spent a small money in the Amazon, and after that I just getting a lot of things. So I'm very happy with that. So after that, what should I do? I just stopped because I didn't get any authorization certificate because all the companies want you have to spend a lot of money to get a bulk discount from us, and after that I will just give you the authorization certificate and you will be authorized seller for our company. But I don't have money, so I just stop whole the business at the same time. So after that I just enrolled in one affiliate marketing thing that I have found on the Udemy. And Udemy is a great thing to learn a lot of things. So I just found the one program that is affiliate marketing without website. Yes, because I'm a technical person, I'm a software developer, but I don't want to create the website because I don't have any experience. So I just didn't do anything with the site. So I don't want to do spend money on the website. So I just skip the main part, the main thing that based on the online site. I just don't want to invest the money in on my website. So what should I do? I just enroll the new thing and I just start promoting ClickBank products through only the link, and you can watch the you can see my entire. I have spent a lot of money on that, and I got the 133 clicks, zero conversion, and the uh, the entire campaign I have done in only for it is only for the 7 days. Okay, and it was in 2017 or 18 something. Okay, then after that, I've just launched my own site, and where I just start the coaching and consulting on mysurnagar.com. But the site is closed right now because uh, 2020 was a disaster for me because I'm doing a job and the things I'm doing as a part time, and I have lost my two jobs. I have lost one job in my February 13th Feb 2020, and after that I got a lot of loss. So I just skip all the things, and I was not able to pay my hosting and my domain payments. So I just not able to pay the whole thing. I just stop all the things, and after that I was so much confused what I have to do to earn a lot of money, but I don't know what the reason behind it, and I just lost the job. So I just doing. Sorry for the interruption. Maybe someone is going right there, and then after that I start my one thing. It is the home decor niche, and because I have some lot of money on that time, so I just create a one site, uh, one more project that is Plan Home Decor, where I just present myself as an hairy hero, and it is the great thing that I have done in my entire life. So, what you will soon. It is actually the Plant Home Decor is in only on based on Amazon affiliate products. And what I do here, I just create a lot of things. I just creating a lot of posts and finding a lot of the things like top 50 chairs on the Amazon and top 50 blankets on the Amazon for your home, and just put it down my site, Plan Home Decor, just making the page. And that's a great thing that I have done in my life. And here is my PayPal payments that I have done. Maybe you are seeing the video image, and here is my name and my site, and here is all the payment that I have earned. Okay, and is it is the 5 pages of PDF, so I'm not able to show you all the things right now. So because I'm just showing you is that because I'm a real person, I'm not the scammer. Okay, you should believe on me or not, it is depends on you. I have done you all the things I'm showing you. And I just after that I have found the new thing that I'm facing one new issue that I'm not getting the traffic. So what I do, I just enroll in new thing that giving me a lot of traffic, that is the Pinterest marketing, and I have just purchased a course from a site, and it is about the Pinterest marketing. And here is my one account, Plan Home Decor, and here is my other that I am managing right now. And you can see I have updating is regularly. Okay, and here is my analytics, and you can see here's my source Nagarwal accounts where I got the total impressions and total audiences, uh, 336,000 approx, and means it is lot of things, 860.49K. It's a lot of things, and maybe you didn't it or not, but it is a great thing that I have done in my entire life, in my entire online journey, in my entire work. Means a lot of things that I have done in my Plan Home Decor, because I have just spent a lot of time, and uh, I didn't sleep at the night and doing just posting on and founding the thing that I have show on my page on my website. So Here is the impression. I have got a 1 million. Yes, a 1 million. I got the 1 million impression. So now you have to believe on that. Yes, I got 1 million impression on my single Pinterest account within 3 or 4 months. And maybe if I run the same thing, maybe I will do something. But the conditions getting changed, and I have to close all the things because I don't have money to pay the things. And after that, I just enrolled in the ClickFunnels. Here's the entire thing what I done on the plant home decor, like the blanket bedroom collection, where I just show on the on the on the plant home decor. Here's the pillows cover, and here's the pillow cover, and I have do a lot of things. You can see all the things on the Pinterest. Okay, so the next thing that I don't have the time, so I'm just because I'm doing a lot of things, and some people's coming me and saying, "Hey, you have a great graphic skill, graphic designing skill, so you have to do some work for us, and I will pay you something." Then they will pay me something. So I just start doing some work with them, and here's my things that I have done. Here's easy shop I have done for Facebook Marketplace, some for some people, and here's the thing that I have mentioned then, a YouTube thumbnail creator, and here's the another, and the one thing is the Robot. He's my friend, and he's launching his new thing, so I just create all the things for him, and so here this is my Canva work. Okay, here's the another work. Uh, because I have a great skill in also in the Canva, so maybe I've done a lot of projects in also in Canva, so that's the great. And after that, I just enroll myself in ClickFunnels, and it is it is some happens when I have just start my click one plan home decor site project that have just started, and someone coming me, and he is my mentor Bhavin Shah, who is telling me you have to join to build your course and was to grow your business. And I was really so much excited to grow my business from the scratch, so I just enrolled myself in the ClickFunnels product one of Funnelation, and it was a great thing that I have watched and that I have enrolled in the course. So it is a great thing. Uh, After that, and you can see that I have joined October 2013, and I didn't get sales because I'm working on the other things. Here's my dashboard. You can see that because I'm working on my plan home decor where I just getting 1 million impressions. So I'm not working on promoting the ClickFunnels on that time. So after the 2020, I've got so many losses. I've lost my job. I have lost my savings. I have lost my some of friends because I fight them and didn't talk them because I want to do something, and I'm getting a debt of 13K Indian rupees on my head. And after a few months ago, I was joined another job, and the job was again the disaster, and I left the job. And right now I don't have anything, and I'm just doing promoting the ClickFunnels because it is the thing that I have watched in my entire life, and that's a great thing that I'm joined the one from, and it is a lot more $100. And maybe if you are not the part of ClickFunnels, you have to join and grow your business from the scratch and learn how you can make your business. So could you so Uh, he's the all my entire life that I'm telling to you, and I've, I just told you I have multiple skills that I want to show show you, and this is the whole thing. Thank you so much. And why I'm just going to share you, because I'm just launching my new things. I'm just want to start my. I just start my own Facebook group, that is the Connect with Marketers, and where I just uh, share some interviews with those people who is doing great in their niche, in their market, in their field. So just let's get started to learn from them and learn from my failures, what the things I have done in my entire life. You can learn the Pinterest marketing with me, and that's the great thing that I have done. So you can earn a lot of traffic with the Pinterest marketing, and I'm just going to share some new interviews and the next video upcoming in by tomorrow, and that's the thing. So join the group if you like my the presentation. And the group name was Connect with Marketers, because I'm uh, coming here with a lot of marketers and just sharing those experience and those journeys. So that's it. Thank you so much. Bye bye. And it is my first video. So bye bye. Thank you. Have a great day. Merry Christmas.